Hello everyone. UK government has provided more details regarding Youth Mobility Scheme ballot system for India. On 1st of Jan 2022, lot of videos in YouTube has stated that the ballot is going to start, but it's itself not a true. The ballot dates for India is not yet announced. The government has given an update on when they are going to do that for India. This is the details and proof I have found in the website of the government gov.uk. Let's see what are the details they given. It's a quick video regarding the ballot dates for India Youth Mobility Scheme. So they have updated the website stating that India is added into Youth Mobility Scheme. That's the main thing. So what they're saying is India Young Professional Scheme. There's a different ballot for India, and then we have to wait further for more details. It is not going to be along with the countries like Hong Kong, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. So that's the main thing. On 1st of Jan, they have updated. India will be getting a different date for the Youth Mobility Scheme ballot, and also they have given a further details on the Youth Mobility Scheme in the appendix. So what they mentioned is this is a document which is released on 1st of Jan, and what they mentioned is they're going to have a different date for India. I'll show you that. So India is added in the list now. It was not in the list before. It is added now, and they have given the age details up to 30 years. You can apply, and then other suitability of requirements they're given. I will put this link in the description. You can have a detailed look. Financial requirement, that is the maintenance of fund for 28 days, that's given, and then they mention no sponsor required for this visa, and then invitation to apply arrangement, that is the ballot. They will tell the date, and then you have to give your invitation. You have to send your invitation for arrangements. So India will be added now. India is added now. You have to wait for the exact date, which I will put when it is announced. So allocation, they have mentioned what are the allocations for each country. So, and then how they will reduce this is primarily a note for the home office staff, how they need to handle these applications. So 1st of Jan 2022, India Youth Mobility Scheme is not starting. Don't spend time on watching the videos which is saying that 1st of Jan is ballot date for Youth Mobility Scheme India. It's a quick update. So India date is not announced. So main thing is this is the main thing. So different date will be announced. I will be uploading when it is available or announced. Hope this video gives information, correct information regarding when you are expected to have India Youth Mobility Scheme ballot. Most likely, as per the news in the Times paper, it will be around April, but it's a guess, but I'm not sure, but it will be around April. Hope this video helped you. Until then, take care. Bye.